That's funny. Okay, guys, welcome back to the Moto Geekster channel. Phil here, and I'm gonna start the new video right now. Don't even know how good this light is. Probably not very. That's what you get for filming on a GoPro and you can't see yourself. But anyway, I'm super excited. Package just came. We're gonna do a unboxing right now to see what's in it, because I can't wait and I wanted to make sure that I filmed this. So here we go. The package is from Whoosh. Dun dun dun. Z1 Motorsports, which means it's something for the Z. Woohoo! All right, so let me get my little knifey out here, and I'm going to not show my address. Not that it matters. There's only 10 subscribers, but there's the boy. Here's the boy. All right, so we gotta do this. Open this. Dun, dun, dun. What do we got in here? Open up the box. Open up the box. Straighten the camera out a little bit. The camera's a little greasy. Oh my gosh. Cool. All right, Z1. This is from Z1 Performance Parts for Nissan and Infiniti Performance Specialists. Sweet. There's their website. These guys are, this is the second package I've gotten from them. The other one I'll talk about later when we're actually working on the car. But I think they're pretty cool. They got a lot of stuff in their inventory. Yep. And this is stuff that I'm not necessarily going to install right now. Well, no, one thing I need to. The other thing is not going to happen until after we do some other stuff. We gotta do some other stuff because I don't know how much it is. So what do we got here? So we've got, ooh, this is cool. What is that? Looks like cold air intake. Yeah, buddy. These air boxes suck. Not enough air. Get it? Air boxes suck. Not enough air. But there we go. Nice oiled cone filter. Right. There's one part of it that we need. The other part is, and it's got a clamp for it, which is good. Definitely need that. Put that over there. The other part that we need for it is right here, and this is the I see how you get struggling whenever you're opening packages. All the other YouTubers. Oops. Hardware. All right, so we got a little package of hardware here. The bolts that we need, right? And then this is the this is the I forget what they call it. Anyway, it goes on to it attaches to the MAF sensor unit, right? So cool. So that's all the stuff that we need for that. That's going to go on, but not just yet. I'm going to show you the other part that's in here that is the more important part that's going to have to go on sooner. It's going to fix one of the multiple problems that we had here. All right, and what else we got? Stickers. Yes, Z1 stickers. I'm actually going to sticker this car up. I've never stickered a car up before that I've owned, but the Z I'm definitely going to sticker up, and it's really cool that it's red because I have plans for the Z that involves the color red for the future. Anyway, so what else we got in here? We have this wonderful thing, which is amazing. Wow, that's really nice. That is really nice. So this guy right here is a remade, a custom made, custom only because, so I say custom only because it's not, the factory doesn't make these anymore as replacement parts. So Z1 Motorsports has, or Z1 Performance has started, they make these, and basically they're recreating, and what it is it's the stock, it's the battery wiring harness, right? Because remember, on the other video, I'll insert maybe a photo, a snap of it somewhere, but on the other video, remember I discovered that the the positive battery cable was all frayed and all funky and stuff, and there's been lots of indications of potential electronic issues because, you know, due to bad grounds and bad connections on the battery. And the ground was kind of weird, and so this is cool because it's got the old ground strap right on the ground. It's got the ground strap. It's really good quality, crimped really well, nice heavy wiring. It's all wrapped up really nicely. I'm still gonna have to probably do, and this goes down, so this is another ground that actually grounds to the bell housing, and then this goes onto the starter, right? This is the positive. It's all red. Positive cable goes onto the starter and gives everything juice. Ooh, and they even got like factory clips, push clips on there. That's really cool. And these guys, there's like clips that or brackets that hold on here. So this is a really nice piece. I really, really like it. Really happy I bought it instead of trying to recreate it myself because it gives me everything. So cool, sweet. All right, so that stuff will be installed probably after I get the transmission back in, or maybe as I get the transmission back in. Actually, since the transmission is out, I should pull the old stuff out, and then it'll be easier to put the new stuff in. So anyway, more on that later. See ya soon. What's up, YouTube? MotoGeekster here. Today, following that video you just watched of the unboxing of my cold air intake for my 300Z, today we're going to install it. Right there. All right, let's get to it. Okay, got the airbox off, and it's been a little while since I changed these filters. That's yucky. That's very yucky. And then there's this stuff, which is not great in the ducts. All right, that's where the air, that's where the clean air is supposed to come in. I have no idea what this stuff is. It's like, I don't know. Fuzz, like, I don't know, rat, something, I don't know. Anyway, very interesting. All right, I'm gonna keep going. I gotta get this out of here. There's this thing too, which I have no idea. This is kind of a strange, interesting thing here. Obviously it's been bent. I think this car's been in a little bit of a, well, I don't know. I think it's been munched a couple times in the front, probably. But, you know, I mean, it is a 30-year-old car, 220,000 miles on it. So, all right, I'm going to keep working on this. I'll be back with an update in a minute. Okay, here it is, installation complete. Right there like that. So much less in there. So I think that's going to flow really, really well. Yeah, so this is a quick one. That does it for this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, put the bell on so that you know when I'm posted new content. This is a shorty. I just posted another one. I'll try to get this one up as soon as I can. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.